to our respected Director BVIMSR, Dr. Anjali Karse, my fellow colleagues, the non-teaching department. It's really an honor and a privilege for me to be standing on this occasion as an acknowledgement of my 5 years of dedicated services for BVIMSR. I remember the first day when I joined in, it was 15th of June 2016, the first person as a point of contact I met was Sahasra Buddhe Madam. And this was my first and a maiden stint as a full-time profession in my life. So I was a bit apprehensive as in how much time and tenure I would spend here, because coming from an entrepreneurial spirit, I was highly doubtful about staying in an institution or an organization for a longer period of time. But it has been 5 years and I'm just feeling that it is just 5 months since I joined this institution. So when I spoke with Sahasra Buddhe Madam that ma'am, I have come from a certain complex and diverse ecosystems. So will I be able to do it? Will I be able to give justice to this particular sacrosanct forum? She said, absolutely, you will gel well within this institution, you will be loved by all, and you will deserve and receive a lot of appreciation from all the stakeholders. And in a way, her prophecy turned out to be true. My 5 years of tenure, I give complete credit to all my guardians, directors, under whose leadership I got an opportunity to express my personality and give justice to whatever duties had been given upon me. So D.Y. Patil sir, he was a maestro and an echelon in the academia. So he identified some skill sets in me and gave me good opportunities as well as platforms wherein I could give justice and represent our institution at pan-Indian level and even globally. So the first biggest opportunity and one of the finest opportunity which came to me in 5 years was the All India Management Symposium, wherein we had participated into the management week organized by AIMS, and there were 60 participating institutions into that, and we were trying very hard for last 3 years when I joined to get into the second round and consequent rounds, but that never happened. So the maiden opportunity which was given to me by sir, I believe with help of and support of all my team members, we were able to give justice to it, and at an all India level at Ranchi in Jharkhand, we got the first prize, which is feather on the cap of BVIMSR in 2016. So that was the biggest breakthrough for me in my entire tenure of 5 years. Eventually, D.Y. Patil sir gave me good opportunities, opened up my horizons, and I was slightly unfortunate to have worked very less with him. But then again, his departure was never felt because it was Dr. Anjali Madam who replaced him after his departure as an efficient leader. And trust me, I would have been a very notorious resource if it had not been Dr. Anjali Karse Madam, because she identified that I have a different set of personality type, and she being from HR and again around double of my age, twice of my age as well as experience she has got. So she rightly identified me and guided me through. She never suppressed my personality. In fact, whatever as aggression I had, she transformed it into assertion and utilized me properly. I always used to tell her, Madam, you are Indira Gandhi, I am Sam Manekshaw. Whatever you tell me, you just have to give the decision, I will execute it. And trust me, Anjali ma'am usually get into the follow-up zone. If she gives a task to someone out of concern, out of the broader concern for the welfare, she always gets into the follow-up mode and she calls you frequently, and it is a sort of strength. But whenever she used to give me any particular task, I remember she has not called me even once. I used to take the task, I used to take command from her, I used to execute it, and finally then I used to come up to her and tell that, Madam, mission executed, mission accomplished. That is how it used to go in between us, be it industrial visits, be it the intercollegiate event, which became the number 2 intercollegiate event in the entire vicinity of Navi Mumbai Eminence. Now it has become a brand and it's a flagship event which we organize. So Dr. Anjali Karse ma'am has done a tremendous work upon me and giving me an opportunity and making me feel always like as if I am being followed by many, and always putting me into that leadership zone. One thing which I personally miss is that I always used to tell Madam, at least give me some words of admonishment. But not a single time she even scolded me. So that is the deficit which I have, because I believe गुरुओं का क्रोध और गुरुओं से आप अगर 2-3 चीजें ज्यादा सुन लो तो ये आपके लिए प्रसाद के समान होती हैं. बट वो प्रसाद में ग्रहण नहीं करता. मैं जाके मैम को आई थिंक एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस और थ्राइस आई हैव टोल्ड मैम, मैम प्लीज स्कोल्ड मी. I am just half of what you are in terms of experience. And if you tell me something or if you admonish me, I'll consider it as a badge of honor upon me. Because criticism is something which develops you. So, a strong leadership support is something which I always will remember, and it is very rare in organizations to have such kind of leadership wherein the organization doesn't suppress you but let you express. At certain junctures, policy-wise or at times rule-wise or bylaw-wise, we used to have like sort of difference of opinion. But again, she had such a welfare approach. She always used to appreciate the difference of opinion. So I remember twice or thrice I must have expressed my difference of opinion over some policy matters. But then she was large-hearted enough to accept it and use it into whatever amendments or whatever welfare decisions she used to make later on. I remember as far as change management is concerned, we used to have an old identity card. I used to tell madam, I won't wear this identity, I won't wear a tie ever, but I'll surely be proud enough to wear an identity card, because that is something which will reflect my organization and it will give justice to my identity and my representation as a resource person of BVIMSR. So after that, I think we had some amazing identity cards which we all have, and it has been 4 years. Even if you look at that identity card, it doesn't go old. So we had invested a lot in those identity cards. So change management, definitely, a ma'am being from HR background, competency management, change management, everything is something which is part of our inherent skill set as a part of our professional training, experience and wisdom. So thank you ma'am for giving me everything, and for not scolding me is something which I will carry it forward as a debt on you. And in my personal life, whenever I encounter any problems or whenever I commit mistakes, I'll always come to my gurus, and my gurus will be there rightly to guide me on various occasions. My colleagues all were fantastic. Yes, we had a lot of fun. We had an amazing time with each other. A lot of knowledge exchange activities we used to have. So everyone is special. I remember everybody is straight, and you know that I had this particular objective in my life, that laugh as much as you can, smile as much as you can, because that is the wealth which you have. A smiling face is a lot better than a frown face. So this objective was time and again supported by the strong sarcastic wisdom of Dr. Kuldeep Bhalerao, Dr. Vijay Bidnoorji, and they are my very good friends, I would say. Bidnoorji, who was the senior most person in the entire forum, he never let me feel that age difference. In fact, he came down and एक निर्मल मन, स्वच्छंद मन जिनका होता है, इतने स्वच्छ मन के एक युधिष्ठिर समान, महात्मा विदुर समान, I got a friend, Mr. Bidnoor. So this is the asset which I have created. I have created assets in BVIMSR. Some assets which are intangible in nature. Every year, I used to get a feeling that as if I am a Dronacharya and there are Arjunas and Eklavyas in making. And there are at least 5 to 10 dedicated students and the incumbent managers who are like, sir, aapke ek aadesh, one instruction from you, and then we are ready to sacrifice everything from our side, is the wealth which I have created and obtained in my 5 years tenure of BVIMSR. Speaking about non-teaching, they were a family, they are a family, and they will be a family. Let my visits be in Sangli, or let them come to Mumbai. We are always better connected. So whenever I used to go to Sangli and all, our people used to get very happy, especially the non-teaching department. And they used to say, sir, आप हमारे घर आइए, आमच्याकडे आज जेवूनच जायचं. So the people who come from the rural background, they have this beautiful quality. They are just hungry and wanting for some words of love and affection. That is their minimum requirement. So you speak to them with love, you speak to them with care and concern. They are all yours. एक पारसी कहावत है, जुबान शिरी तो मुल्क गिरी. अगर आपकी जबान में मिठास हो, आपकी आत्मा में मिठास हो, तो पूरी दुनिया को जीतने की ताकत आप में सिकंदर से ज्यादा बन सकती है. भारतीय विद्यापीठ taught me कर्मयोग, कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्मुमा ते संगोस्त्व कर्मणि. I remember at times I used to feel I cannot do it. Then I used to come and tell my madam, this is impossible. It cannot be done. Madam, you see the feasibility of this. It's not possible for us to execute this. Madam used to tell me, I know it is impossible, but tumi hai karna, you will do it. And that confidence used to sort of create a very different ignition in me. And then by grace of God, by Guru's Ashirwad, and with the support of the team which we had, and the management principal of Fayol, Spree Decor, we used to have it in a very fantastic and a fantabulous manner. So Bharati Vidyapeeth, definitely it is going to be a very crucial ecosystem in my entire life. Again, getting into the classroom zone, classroom was always one of the finest of feeling, and the conferences, the symposiums, the representation, the opportunities which the management gave to me to represent not only in Maharashtra but in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, wherever, the umpteen opportunities, not to forget IIM Kozhikode in Kerala, ma'am sent me there. So they gave me a very good exposure at pan-Indian level, and things were in process on going global. We had this particular MOU with Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. I think there were many people who used to tell me that Madam will give you an opportunity to go to Uzbekistan. And I was quite optimistic about it. I had learned a bit of Uzbeki also in that pursuit, but because of this lockdown, it could not become possible and a reality. So classroom and the deliveries which I used to deliver used to be a very different zone of satisfaction for me. And this field of academia is a very noble profession, and one of the finest profession in the world, because the world, it need proper mentoring, it need a good guidance, and that is what teachers and professors can do. Remember Chanakya, an ordinary teacher, he created extraordinary 360-degree sort of ecosystem in terms of polity, economy, geography, a change maker, and a person who influenced many emperors of India in past around 326 BC and thereon. So this is the power of a teacher. If a teacher decides, he can change the course of an entire nation. So the revolution inside a teacher should never get sublimed or subsided. A professor should always carry that spirit, and definitely with a leadership like this, that is possible, because it all gets narrowed down to competency management, which Madam is good at. So everybody's fine natural skills, ability and personality type is giving justice in BVI-MSR. Now BVI-MSR has become truly global. BVI-MSR has expanded its horizon under the new leadership, wherein we have witnessed so many changes since Madam took over. And forget the leadership part and the chair part. As a human being, Dr. Anjali Karsey is one of the finest human beings I have ever come across in my life. Speaking at this juncture is really a complex sentiment for me, because when I was riding high on my professional aspirations, I had a very personal and an insurmountable tragic loss in terms of demise of my father. So getting me back on track was very difficult, and every faculty member and the management, they were part of my tragic loss, and they helped me rebound, and they helped me stand up again. So this is life. You have to rise like a phoenix bird. I would really miss my marketing sessions in the classroom. Marketing strategy is a subject I would make a humble submission about. It's a subject which I created and developed in terms of content in a very innovative pattern. And I did a lot of research into developing that subject. So whenever I used to go into the classroom and create that environment of strategy around everyone, it was a gender neutral thing. Everybody used to become a warrior. Everybody used to become a warrior and strategize things around them in business terms. Because a market is a war zone wherein competition is there. There are rivals competing in between. So to emerge as the finest warrior in the market and the battlefield, I developed students from strategic perspective, which will not only help them during their academic life, but also I have given them inputs which will make them a better human being and a better strategist all their life, so that they can create a very strong impact wherever or whichever organization they go, or whichever place they occupy in their life. Product and brand management, we did a lot. Ma'am gave us an opportunity. Veena Tripathi madam was there. Again, many of my colleagues, Priyata madam, Purvi madam, these people, like, we used to continuously think, work and strategize about the branding aspects. Be it your website development, be it the digital media, social media management and marketing. we actually put in a lot of practical inputs that actually empowered us a lot. Because what we deliver in the classroom, when we get hands-on experience to do it practically, we become a better human being and a better trainer. In classroom, I did more of training than teaching, and when you are into this profession, management education itself is a dynamic field and a profession. So you, as an individual, have got tremendous responsibility to unlearn, relearn, and learning in between. So because if you see, various books are written and the concepts of 1960, are they still applicable or are they still relevant today? Have they become obsolete? This is what a professor has to continuously think and work upon. That is what we did. And coming from the legal background as a lawyer, I always used to take it as a courtroom practice or courtroom appearance. So every time I used to come up with my fresh set of preparation, I used to deliver, I used to give justice to it, and I'm glad and I'm honored with all the love, respect, and all ears up of all my audience in this tenure of 5 years. Thank you BBMSR for making me a better person. I really would miss all my faculty members, be it Uma madam, Rajni ma'am, Asmat madam, all the ma'ams, Manisha madam, Sahasrabuddha madam, non-teaching staff, everyone. Manisha madam is there, Mane sir, Bapu sir, Amolji is there, Amolji is an MBA, Veena madam, every name. If I have missed on anything, please pardon me for that. Dr. Makaran Pol, the kind man.
But both of you will be there because हमारे जो फिल्म है इसमें आप है ही मेजर इसमें.
So you all will be missed, and thank you so much again. I feel burdened to use two words, thank you and sorry, because घर में और अपने परिवार में thank you और sorry की कोई जगह नहीं होती. Thank you so much again as a formality and as a part of the influence which we have had all our lives.
Thank you sir. Thank you.